Herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge Blair Witch. Ich wünsche euch viel Spaß.
Come on, be a man.
Alice, you got my message.
You, wanted to see me, sir?
Better yet, I want to introduce you to someone. Bullet, meet your new partner. He's been through a lot, just like you.
What? Sir, I can't.
Oh, you got something else going on right now? Just take the damn dog, Alice.
Yes, sir. Did I pass out? Boy? Oh, shit! It's pitch black. Oh, I must have blacked out for hours.
Wie war das mit dem Dunkeln? Wo ist er? Da. Ich hab ihn gerade echt nicht gesehen.
This thing again. Oh, no, it's a different one. Oh, someone had too much time on their hands.
Naja. Also dieses Camp erinnert mich stark an...
There's still some leftovers inside. Maybe a few days old.
den Film The Blair Witch Project.
FM 2176. Field manual. Great. First it's witches and curses, and now what? A commando? Looks damaged, but relatively new. No, probably not something a 9-year-old could set up.
Was ist los, mein Kleiner?
How did it end up back here? There's a tape inside. Might as well see what's on it.
Mit Hilfe der roten Videokassette kannst du die Realität manipulieren. Achte auf deine Umgebung sowie auf Objekte in deiner Nähe und im Video. Spule ein Video vor oder zurück und pausiere Schlüsselmomente, um den Status und die Position zu ändern. What? Ah! Was ist das für eine Kassette, bitte? Das ist ja cool.
The hell? This wasn't here a minute ago, right, buddy? This tape. Did it just... No, that's not possible. We'll get it together, Ellis. It's probably Peter's. Maybe Bullet can catch a scent. Bullet! Well, you know what to do, buddy. Just like in training. Good boy. You do great on the force if you weren't so stubborn.
Wenn du nicht so stur wärst. Ja, ist schön. Ein dickköpfiger Hund. Da. Leuchtet das Halsband? Es leuchtet ja Gott sei Dank ein bisschen. Na, wo geht's lang? Komm.
What's the matter, buddy? Is it a sign of worship? Better now, Bullet?
Mhm. Auf jeden Fall hat er kleine Angst davor gehabt. Ich würde stark behaupten, wir sind nicht allein. Könnte es wieder Tag werden? Na, wo geht's lang?
Still on track, buddy? Good boy. I'm right behind you. I can't just ignore him. Go ahead.
Go ahead. God damn it, Ellis. I've been trying to reach you for hours. First the kid, and now you. It's like the only thing I do is chase after whoever walks into this goddamn forest. Where the hell are you?
We went down a ravine and headed north, up to an old campsite.
Wait, what? We went through that area. We didn't find any campsite.
Well, you didn't find Peter's cap either. Listen, we're still on the trail. We'll keep moving north.
For Christ's sake, Ellis, stop playing a hero. Just sit your ass down till we find you.
Emmett, just find the campsite and head north. I'll look for a landmark, something to point you in the right direction.
Ellis.
I'll keep you posted. Over and out.
Was haben wir können drüber uns zulegen. Alter, ich würde mir so... Ich bräuchte definitiv eine neue Hose, wenn ich hier nachts durch den Wald laufen würde. Mit oder ohne Hund.
What's going on, boy? Is it a sign of worship? It's okay, buddy. It's all gone. See?
Ich will es irgendwie nicht durchlaufen lassen, bis der Ton hochkommt. Weiß nicht, da will ich ein bisschen... Schießer! Oh Junge, wo geht's denn hier hin?
Bullet, what's wrong?
Erstmal wo so hin?
Work, damn it!
Wo ist er? Du bellst einen Felsen an. Hallo? Wo ist er jetzt schon wieder hin? Hallo. Ich bin jetzt nicht gerade der beste Botaniker, ne? Aber ich bin mir nicht sicher. Ich glaube, das muss nicht so unbedingt sein. Auf jeden Fall ist das der große alte Baum, an dem die Hexe damals erhängt worden ist.
Get a grip, Alice. It's just a tree.
Bestimmt.
Come on, Bullet.
Jeder Baum hat komische schwarze Fäden, Ranken, Dingens vom Boden zu den Ästen.
Alice to base. Emmett, I just wanted to say, yeah, I know I screwed up, and I'm sorry.
I told you already, Ellis. What's done is done. No point in dwelling on the past. You found the kid's cap, you're still in one piece. And hey, at least we still got radio contact. All in all, could have been much worse.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks, Emmett. Over and out.
Warum sagst du ihn nicht? Ey Leute, ich bin hier an dem alten Baum. Das würde helfen.
Base to Ellis. I think we found the ravine you were talking about. Any updates on your side? Base to Ellis. Base to Ellis, over.
Achso. Entschuldigung.
Do you copy? Ellis, if you can hear us, know that we'll be going northeast after you. Wait for us. Over.
Ellis to base. I hope you guys didn't stay on account of me.
Don't flatter yourself, Ellis. There's still Peter, remember? Anyway, there ain't many of us left. Most of these folks were volunteers. I can't force them to stay longer than they're willing to.
Yeah, well, for what it's worth, I'm glad you're still here. Over and out. Stay here, boy.
Ich möchte gerne hier unten reingucken.
Is that a bunker? Guess we're not gonna find out.
Och. Du Jemini. Ja, das muss leider noch ein bisschen warten. Okay, wir können weiter.
Not what I'd expect in the middle of the forest.
Ich auch nicht.
Then again, I wouldn't expect reinforced concrete either.
Was bist du denn da?
Candy wrapper? Really? Come on, Bullet, you can do better than that. Go on, see if you can find something else. That's it! Take me to it!
Was? My love?
There you go, buddy. Yeah, this is much better. Let's see.
Brotkrummspur, okay.
Wait, is that... It's Peter.
Mhm. Hm. Okay.
Ellis to base. Peter didn't run away. He was kidnapped. I found a tape. It shows the man who did it.
What? How did... Wait, a tape? In the middle of the forest? Ellis, are you serious?
Ja.
Yeah, those tapes, they make things appear, but there's no time landing. We have to find the kid. He's in serious danger.
Ellis, even if that's true, I can't let you go alone.
We don't have much choice. Look, I won't do anything stupid. I'm just gonna find him and wait for you to catch up. Over and out.
No, Ellis, wait! God damn it!
He was shot in those trenches I saw earlier. Come on, Bullet. Let's check him out.
Was ist los? Hier ist doch nichts mehr. Außer Geräusche im Wald.
The video was shot around here somewhere.
Jetzt doch.
There it is. Come here, boy. Come on, boy. Peter's in danger, and we're the only ones who can help him. Attaboy, go get it.
Na los. Auf. So. Oh, wir können auch crouchen.
Go get it, Bullet.
Ich frage mich eher,
You sure this is the right way, buddy?
warum wurden diese Kassetten überhaupt aufgenommen?
Are we walking in circles, Bullet?
Gefühlt ja.
Bullet! Where are you, buddy? Come on, boy. Don't make me chase you. Bullet, where are you?
Hallo? Bullet. Hallo? Da ist er. Was genau bellt? What?
What was that thing?
Pauli, mach das doch nicht mit mir. Ich habe schon Gänsehaut. Alter. Achte auf Bullets Verhalten. Sein Heulen warnt dich vor Gefahren, die in der Dunkelheit lauern. Bleib während eines Kampfes immer in seiner Nähe. Er hilft dir, Gegner zu bekämpfen, doch allein ist er verwundbar. Gesundheit. Das war eine Folge Blair Witch. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Träumchen von einem Däumchen. Einen Link zu meinem Twitch-Kanal findet ihr unten in der Videobeschreibung. Schaut doch mal vorbei.